So I finally made a little set. I don't know if it looks good. It's a little bit cutesy for my taste, but I worked with what I had. Okay, so today I wanted to do a kind of frequently asked questions type thing on my lack of eyebrows and why I'm like this. Because I have a lot of people come up to me, being my friends or just strangers or people online being like, what the hell are you doing? And it's kind of funny to me because it's something that I see a lot that I don't realize that other people find that weird, because in the kind of goth punk alternative scene, a lot of people shave their eyebrows, and sometimes people don't even realize it because they draw them on every day and they can't even tell. I occasionally have people come up to me and be like, oh my god, where'd your eyebrows go? They looked so good, they were green and it was really cool. And I was like, dude, I've been drawing them on with green face paint for months now. Like, this isn't a new development. But so yeah, let's get going. First question I get is like, why? Why would you want to shave off your eyebrows, and what were you thinking? It's really funny to me that people find it that weird, because I've always been pretty into makeup, and once I felt like I got good enough at it, I felt like I want to be able to do more with my face, and your eyebrows are a huge part of your face. You know, people spend a lot of time, you know, threading and plucking and doing all kinds of things to their eyebrows, and that's to change the shape of them, and it frames your face. And now that I don't have any, I can draw them on in whatever shape I want and frame my face however I want, or just not frame my face and go like this, which I do sometimes out of laziness and boredom. I've had my eyebrows shaved for, let's see, it's been over a year now. The day I did it was in August. I was right about to go to that GWAR concert, and I was like, fuck it, we're shaving these off, and I immediately loved it. Like, I had so much fun right away. There were no regrets there, and I have very much enjoyed not having eyebrows. It's fun. I get to draw on my face every day, and I get to look however I want, and that's really fun to me. That's something I enjoy a lot. A lot of people ask if they grow back, and they do. It's a funny thing to me that people think that they don't grow back. I think that comes from when you do pluck out your eyebrows a lot, they will grow back funny because you're messing with like the actual hair follicle and like pulling them out and stuff. But since you're just shaving the hair off, it grows back. It's not like thicker or weird or anything. I did let them grow back at one point in like May or something. That was around the time I shaved my head, just because I felt like I looked weird with a shaved head and no eyebrows. But then I immediately was like, no, this is a terrible idea. I'm having more fun just drawing them on. But you can grow them back. Like, it is not a permanent thing. I have always been very okay with the non-permanence of my hair. I'm like, well, I mean, I can dye it green, and then if I don't like it later, I'll just shave it off. Except I've had it green now for, since June, and it's January now. Happy New Year, guys. So yeah, I've gotten over the attachment to the way that I look, because I feel like I can change it whenever and however I want. So I don't know, that's just something that I've gotten used to. I'm not worried about it anymore, and I think a lot of people do worry about that a lot. Some people ask me how often I shave them, and I actually, like, they get stubbly very, very quickly, and I do shave off the stubble every morning. That's just part of my morning routine, is shave off the eyebrow stubble and then draw new ones on. And it takes, honestly, no time at all. It's just like, it doesn't add anything to my morning routine, which is already kind of long because I do spend quite a long time on my makeup usually. I didn't really today. I put on like foundation and eyeliner and some lipstick, but that's it. But you know. Some people ask how it feels, and honestly, it feels like a goddamn blessing. Like, the first time you shave it off, it's just like, I feel so clean. Like, you feel magical because your face is so smooth. And it feels like you just got something off. Well, it feels like it because you have just gotten something off your face that has been there your whole life. Actually, wasn't it? Jenna Marbles recently shaved her eyebrows just for fun and described this very perfectly, and it made me laugh so much because I was like, no, yeah, you get it. This is how it feels. It feels like a magical, spiritual experience because you're just like, oh my god, they're gone. Where'd they go? I do get made fun of sometimes. It's mostly in a joking, like, manner with my friends, but occasionally people will make comments and be rude about it, but I don't really care. Like, most people, at least where I live in a very artsy, weird town, so most people here are pretty chill, and they don't really care what I do. Like, I look like this, and I've had no problems getting jobs, and I've gotten pretty good jobs at that. Like, I have not had an issue. It's just, I like to do whatever I want with the way that I look, and that is why I did the eyebrow thing. Plus, everyone else was doing it. Like, come on. You'd actually be surprised. When I first did it, I had several friends who were like, what the fuck are you doing? Why would you shave those off? And I explained to them, like, no, lots of people do this, and they were not aware of that, so I had to refer a couple of my friends who have also done it. Now I know, like, a lot of people who don't have eyebrows, and we're all having a lot of fun together. So I'm kind of a bad influence whenever one of my friends is like, I think I should shave my head, or maybe, like, what if I shave my eyebrows off? I'm just sitting here like, come on, do it, come on. I fully encourage this, and I think I'm kind of a bad influence on people, because I will never tell someone, like, oh no, don't do that, you might look bad. I'm just like, no, just live it up, do whatever you want, love yourself, just, who gives a fuck? And I don't know, that's the way I like to live, and I hope it doesn't get anyone else into trouble at any point. But that's all I can really think of right now. I can certainly answer more questions. This was a kind of video out of the blue, and I know most of you don't follow me for whatever this content is. You follow me for art stuff, which I need to get on and do more of. So we will see that in the future. And all that like, comment, and subscribe stuff, I guess. I never end my videos with saying that, but we're gonna end this one with saying that. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.